Hello team, it's Sunday 25 of the week number 25 of the year, and I'm going to try to keep up with the Bitcoin weekly review. So we said a few days ago that the falling wedge was looking bullish. Okay, this was the idea. It's gonna be a quick review because honestly they just kept pushing. So this was like the bullish cause for Bitcoin, and I say like if they close daily convincingly above this one, I will refuse the short idea and try to look for longs. Well, this daily was kind of meh, then they have the red day and then they finally close it. So here was the long call, in my opinion. How would you do that? Well, this was a weekly raid, I think. Yeah, no, I think it was a weekly raid. It is a weekly raid, actually, yes. You see the beauty of trading high time frame? They don't get much to stress about. So this is the BMS, weekly raid, daily BMS. And the trade will have been something like that. We'll get in here on Monday. Where do you TP? Well, I think most probably here. Everything. If I was trading, I'm still not trading this thing. Probably here, maybe a remaining part here. I will be completely out. So weekly rate, daily BMS, get in 2-3R. This thing is clean. Imagine making 2-3R every week or every other week. You can easily risk like 2% of your account on such higher time frame. What about now? Yeah, I have no clue. Why I say that? Because well, this chart become a little bit dirty. Because I will wait for the weekly close because we are still in a weekly bearish order block. Right now there is a weekly raid inside the bearish weekly origin. So and they just took like this trend line liquidity. Okay, sorry. So I don't know if we go into lower time frame like H1 or H4 is still bullish, you know. At least to become bearish on H1 you want them to close to go here, close below this one. It looks slightly like distribution, but it's printing higher high and higher lows, you know. So I don't see any significant reason to become bearish so soon, just because it's a weekly raid, you know. This is what I mean. I wouldn't become bearish so soon. Are there reasons to go higher? Yes, of course there are. There is this huge monthly fair value gap. All of these. So, well, it depends from news or something, but I think it can easily shoot to 38,000, you know. Also, they start to build a big liquidity trend line on the lows, which is also stupid. But knowing Bitcoin, I think this one can last like much more. You know, they can last like another, how long is this? Wow, half a year. That's a lot. You can easily go here for the rest of the summer and then dump it, you know. So yeah, I don't see any reason to become bearish so soon, and also I wouldn't like to look for longs now after the weekly liquidity clipped inside the weekly bearish order block. If I had a trade, as I said in this chart, I will have TP here and right now I will be flat. And yes, I repeat again, next week or like in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna deposit some fund on some crypto exchange, maybe Binance, I don't know, and I'm going to start to take some trade, small ones in the beginning, see how he behave with my price action reading, and then we see from there. Okay, that's enough for me for today for Bitcoin, guys. I speak to you tomorrow in the Forex review. Bye.